Hey, how you doing? This is Stuart from Dupont Motorsports. Trying something new this month. Instead of doing our regular e-newsletter, we're going to start doing video newsletters. So this is our first attempt at that, so let us know how you like it. Again, it's September. And what's September in Delmarva? Delmarva Bike Week. Just let you all know that that's going on again this year. And that starts Thursday the 14th and runs through Sunday the 17th. Most of the festivities are right there down at right in Ocean City.
Right in Ocean City.
Fill up more or less Ocean City. They do some things out at the Shorebird Stadium out at Salisbury. So great place to go, local place, usually 100,000 plus bikes. So check it out, get a chance. And Steve, you got a couple of things coming up, don't you?
Yep, sure do. On the 10th for our Sunday ride, we're going to do something a little bit different this month. The Emanon riders are having a dart ride, which is basically like a poker run, only you throw darts instead of draw cards. And it's for a great cause. It supports Ride for Kids, which is just an awesome cause. It's $20 a rider, $10 for the passenger. We're going to ride with them. So we'll meet here at Dupont Motorsports at 9:30 and head out about quarter of 10. We'll get down there to the Willie's
The registration.
for where the registration point is at Uncle Willie's, and then we'll go on their ride. It's about a 60-mile ride. At the end, they're going to have food, and of course, they'll give out the prizes. And then also,
great, and that Ride for Kids is awesome. I mean,
yes.
that goes, all that money goes directly to fight brain tumors in children, and it's a charity that Honda started supporting many years ago, and they continued every year. And Honda doesn't have much to do with it now. It's just the Ride for Kids foundation that does it themselves. And all this money, the Emanon riders donate directly to Ride for Kids when they have their big rides in Baltimore and in Philadelphia.
yeah, it's a great cause.
It
So
really
please
is.
come out and
Really
support us and support them on the ride. Also in September, we've got an end-of-month ATV ride on the 30th and the 1st. We're going to go up to Anthracite Outdoor Adventure area. Yamaha's going to be having a demo program there, so you get to ride the new Yamahas, both side-by-sides and four-wheelers. And details to come, we're still finalizing that, but we'll probably stay at a local hotel about 20 minutes from the park, and should be a great time.
So if they're interested, they should just get up with you here at the store?
Just contact me.
Get up with Steve at the store if you're interested in going on that ride. Again, I know you've been there quite a few times.
Yeah, I ride there quite a bit. It's a great place to ride. They've got almost 9,000 acres. It's just a lot of fun to ride there.
How long does it take to get there?
About 3 hours and 20 minutes.
Okay.
To get there.
3 hours and 20 minutes, not 3 hours and 30 minutes. So he
Yeah.
has been there quite a few times.
Yeah, once or twice.
So what else you have going on this one?
So we've got some specials running this month. You know, it's the end of the season for mesh gear, so we're going to do 30% off on our mesh gear, and that includes jackets and gloves. Try and clear that stuff out so we can get our winter gear in. And then also we're doing, we have the new fly gear in, the new answer gear in for you dirt riders, and we also are now stocking Garmin cameras and GPSs.
Wow.
So got quite a bit of new stuff. Come on down and look.
And those are made specifically for like motorcycles, right?
Yes, they're motorcycle GPSs, and the cameras, we have the 360, and we have the full range of cameras. So
Wait a minute, what does that 360 camera, what's that mean? When it does?
it takes a 360-degree picture, a seamless 360-degree picture.
So you can, you mount the camera, you go down, you do your ride, and then when you come back, you view it on your screen, and you can turn.
Yep,
So you can see the sides, behind you, front, everything.
Yep, you can scroll
Pretty cool.
around, you can see in all directions. It's a pretty cool camera.
This technology's been around now for a couple of years from a couple different people, and I think Garmin has now stepped up and taken it actually to the next level.
Yep, definitely.
The picture clarity and everything else is just phenomenal.
And all their cameras are GPS enabled, so you can see your altitude, where you're at, and you can even put a track of whatever you're riding on the screen, so you can see where you're riding.
Very nice, very nice. And again, I know Service has some things going on as well. They're actually doing, for you hunters, again, it's hunting season. Did you say bow and arrow started today?
Yep, yesterday.
Archery started yesterday. I know I've seen a lot of trucks parked on the side of the roads coming in this morning, so you hunters are out there. Service is running a special where if you do an oil change and a safety check, they'll give you free, you get either a set of hand mitts for your ATV.
Hand mitts to keep your hands warm, great on those cold days, or if you use your ATV for snow plowing, must have.
That or a tire repair kit.
Must have for us trail riding guys.
Yeah, and again, nothing worse than getting out in the woods and getting a flat tire and you have to ride in on a flat tire or have to leave your side-by-side or ATV and go back and get it. That kit allows you to plug it, fix it right there, and get back out of the woods. Good stuff. And I know on the sales side, no matter what you ride, they've got something on sale right now. ATV riders, you can save with like $700 on a Kodiak 700 electric power steering ATV right now, and that's a full 4x4, a great unit for only $69.99. Gets you in a four-wheel drive, again, full 4x4 with electric power steering. For you three-wheelers, I know you're doing a spider crawl there earlier in the month, so you spider riders get out there. We do have a leftover 2016 Spider, one of the F3 models. You can save over $4,600 on that right now. It's only $17,999. Over 50 used bikes in stock. Every day they've got something on sale. Check our Facebook, check our Instagram. They're listing a daily special every day. I know those bikes are all being marked down again today. It's September 1st, time to mark them down. If you're interested in a used bike, check us out on Facebook or at ridedms.com. It's updated daily. So I think that's what we have.
Pretty much, yeah, and I didn't mention it earlier, the ride on the 10th, we are calling it a spider crawl. I'll be riding a spider, you know, but it is open to everybody, but particularly Can-Am riders, come on out and support Ride for Kids.
Okay.